Grow cucumbers at home. A beginner's guide. Ready to enjoy crisp, delicious cucumbers straight from your garden? Growing cucumbers at home is easier than you think, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in and learn how to grow these refreshing veggies. Cucumbers come in all shapes and sizes. We'll explore the best varieties for your garden, whether you're craving crunchy slices for salads or tiny pickles for snacking. Knowing the differences will set you up for success. Slicing cucumbers are typically longer and have smoother skin, perfect for salads and sandwiches. Pickling cucumbers are smaller and have bumpier skin, ideal for making pickles. Choose based on your culinary preferences. Bush cucumbers are compact and great for small spaces or containers. Vining cucumbers need a trellis or support to climb. Consider your garden size and available support structures. For beginners, bush varieties like Bush Champion or Space Master are excellent choices. They're compact, productive, and don't require a trellis, perfect for smaller gardens. If you have space for a trellis, vining varieties like Marketmore 76 or Straight 8 are fantastic. They produce abundant yields and are classic cucumber flavors. Parthenocarpic varieties produce fruit without pollination, meaning they're seedless. Seeded varieties require pollination to produce fruit. Consider if you prefer seedless cucumbers. Always choose disease-resistant varieties to minimize problems with common cucumber diseases. Look for varieties labeled with resistance to powdery mildew or other common issues. Timing is key when planting cucumbers. These warm weather lovers need the right conditions to thrive. Let's learn when and how to get them started. Cucumbers are sensitive to frost, so wait until all danger of frost has passed before planting. Soil temperature should be consistently warm for best results. You can start seeds indoors 3-4 weeks before the last expected frost. Use seed starting trays and a well-draining seed starting mix. This gives you a head start. Direct sowing is another option once the soil has warmed to at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius. Plant seeds directly into the garden bed where they will grow. Cucumbers need plenty of sunshine. Choose a location that receives at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight per day. This ensures strong growth and abundant fruit production. Prepare the soil by ensuring it's well-draining and rich in organic matter. Cucumbers thrive in fertile soil that retains moisture but doesn't become waterlogged. Amend the soil with compost or aged manure before planting. This adds essential nutrients and improves soil structure. Your cucumbers will thank you. Space bush varieties 12-18 inches apart. Vining varieties need 2-3 feet of space between plants to allow for proper growth and air circulation. Water the newly planted seeds or seedlings thoroughly. This helps them establish roots and get off to a good start. Keep the soil consistently moist. Proper care is essential for a bountiful cucumber harvest. Let's explore the best practices for watering, fertilizing, and pest control. A little attention goes a long way. Water deeply and regularly, especially during hot weather. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week. Consistent moisture is crucial for healthy growth and fruit development. Avoid overhead watering, as it can lead to fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Water at the base of the plant to keep the foliage dry. Fertilize every 2-3 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. This provides the nutrients cucumbers need for vigorous growth and abundant fruit production. For vining varieties, train the vines onto a trellis as they grow. This improves air circulation, reduces disease risk, and makes harvesting easier. Keep an eye out for common pests like cucumber beetles and squash bugs. Handpicking or using insecticidal soap can help control these pests. Prevent diseases by ensuring good air circulation around the plants. If powdery mildew appears, use a fungicide according to package directions. The moment you've been waiting for, harvesting your homegrown cucumbers. Knowing when and how to harvest ensures the best flavor and texture. Harvest cucumbers when they reach the desired size and color for their variety. Slicing cucumbers are typically harvested when they are 6-8 inches long. Pickling cucumbers are harvested when they are smaller, usually 2-4 inches long. Check your seed packet for specific harvesting guidelines for your chosen variety. Don't let cucumbers get too big, as they can become bitter and seedy. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more fruit. Use a sharp knife or pruners to harvest cucumbers, leaving a small stem attached. This helps prevent rot and keeps the cucumbers fresh longer. Harvest regularly, every few days, to encourage continuous production. The more you harvest, the more cucumbers your plants will produce. Even with the best care, problems can sometimes arise. Let's address some common cucumber issues and how to fix them. Yellowing leaves can indicate nutrient deficiencies or overwatering. Check the soil drainage and consider fertilizing with a balanced fertilizer. Blossom end rot, where the end of the cucumber turns brown and mushy, is caused by calcium deficiency and inconsistent watering. Ensure well-drained soil and water regularly and deeply to prevent blossom end rot. Adding calcium to the soil can also help. Growing cucumbers at home is a rewarding experience. With a little knowledge and care, you can enjoy fresh, delicious cucumbers all summer long. Remember, even beginners can grow amazing cucumbers. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. Happy gardening! If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.